Good evening, everyone. I have my Sthil MS311 chainsaw here. I had this for not too long. I'm really happy with it. Has plenty of power. It's time for a small tune-up, so I went to local steel dealer. They said I needed a fuel filter, plugs, and air filter. So the rest is pretty easy, but to get the fuel filter out, after I dumped the fuel into fuel container, figured the best way to do it is just to try to work it out. There's what the new one looks like. So once I got it there, I was able to kind of bounce it towards me, towards the end here, and I'm gonna try to use my needle nose pliers and get it. That wasn't too bad. So I gotta pull this off. It's just a barb. It's a little different. There's the new one. There's the old one, but my steel dealer's a local John Deere dealer, so they got me steel parts, they told me. So squeeze that in there. And that's it. Not too bad at all. So now the spark plug. Got one of these tools here that was sent with one of these steel items I have. So there's 4 of these screws that hold this cover on. Never mind, there's just 3. There's the air filter. That's where the spark plug is. That right here is a compression release. It's supposed to make it easier to start. Looks like I was given the wrong air filter. That's alright. It's an easy change. Switch that out later. Just take that in so they can match it. It's not too bad yet. It's not good, but it's not bad. Let's knock it out. So, here's my spark plug. Yeah, not too bad either. It's getting a little harder to start, so I went ahead and got these changed out. I already gapped this earlier. I was told to put it around 2300ths, whether that's right or not. That's what I was told, so that's where I put it at. Doing it one-handed. There we go, there's 2 hands. that's it. And that is the extent of my tune-up for now, until I give me one of these. I'll do that Monday. They're closed. And that's it. Reverse order. And yes, I am missing a nut for my bar, which I do have another one that I will put on as soon as I get this cover on and fill her back up with fuel. Bought an extra one just in case. Looks good. Adding my mixed fuel, I stick with the synthetic 50-to-1 from Sthil. Been pretty happy with it. I think I get a little more power out of it. It works. Thanks for watching.